In this video, I will show you how to buy a coin on Crypto.com. So the easiest way to do this is open up the Crypto.com app and go to Trade in the bottom. Now just click Buy Crypto, and here just select whichever cryptocurrency you want to buy. So you can pick whichever one you want, and you can go to search for it right here at the top. Like for example, I'll search for Solana, and then here you can select it. Then once you've opened up the cryptocurrency you want to buy, you can choose how much of it you want to buy. For example, 10 euros. Then in the top right, you can choose whether you want to do a one-time purchase, a limit order, recurring buy, or TWAP, which works for very large orders. So do whichever one you want. I'll do a one-time purchase, which means it just goes through right now at the market price, and then click review order, and then click confirm. And you can see I've now purchased some Solana right here. So that's how to purchase a coin on Crypto.com. It will then show up here in your accounts, and you can see it right here after some time. So you can see right here I have some Solana. So now you know how to buy a coin on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.